Hi, everyone. I first want to say thank you for joining us here today, and a special thanks to Dave for bringing all of us together for the first Automotive AI Summit with what is going to be a great lineup throughout the day. My name is Connor Finnegan, and I'm the Chief Strategy and Product Officer at Spiffy. And I'm here to talk to you today about a transformation underway in fixed ops, a shift from mobile service being a nice to have to becoming one of the most strategic growth levers you have as an operator as you all optimize your businesses in the world of AI. As you'll hear today, AI is revolutionizing how you and your teams work. Mobile service is revolutionizing where you and your teams can work. And together, they're redefining what is possible in fixed ops. First, I'd like us to start by taking a few seconds and recall some of the magical moments we've all experienced as consumers. Your first Uber ride, your first mobile Starbucks order pickup, a same day delivery by Amazon. Each one of those moments reshaped our expectations as consumers. They opened up a new world of convenience, transparency, and ease of use, and they were all 10 times better than the status quo. So now I want you to think about your dealership service experience under that lens. How can you 10x that customer experience? That is the challenge, but also the opportunity we face today. But many dealers are still treating or viewing mobile service like it's a favor or an extension of their service department. Like it's something nice you can offer when your shop gets busy. You have a tech, a part-time, a van, a part-time tech. You send them out for a few oil changes a day. But that mindset fails. It fails because it lacks structure, it lacks ownership, and it truly lacks a vision. That mindset is not built to scale. So I'm here to tell you that mobile is not a gap filler. Mobile service is a brand new business model, and a very lucrative one at that if it's treated strategically. At Spiffy, we've been living this for over a decade. We got started back in 2014 with a simple mission: deliver convenience to car owners at scale. Since then, we've delivered 3.5 million five-star services. We've built and upfit hundreds of mobile service vehicles. And over the last few years, we've been partnering with dealers and with OEMs to accelerate mobile service to their customers. And here's what we've learned over that time. To truly succeed in mobile, it must be treated like a startup business inside of your store. And the entire organization must be committed to the mission, from the principals to the technicians. To that end, mobile must have its own P&L. It can't be a couple extra line items on your existing statement. Your success metrics in mobile are different. You're managing van utilization, technician productivity, revenue per truck, and customer satisfaction lift. Not hours per RO, not effective labor rate, not inventory turnover. So you need tools for zoning territories, optimizing routes, tracking recommended service recommendation conversion, all in real time. And this is where AI and software are critical, but only when you have the foundation correct. Consumers these days, they want Uber level visibility, Amazon level convenience, and Starbucks level consistency. And truthfully, car maintenance is another annoying task on everyone's never ending to do list, and thus customers are seeking that magic easy button. They want to be able to book and schedule from their phones. They want to receive updates via text message. They want to be able to approve repairs and pay for services digitally. You cannot offer a 5-star 21st century customer experience if you're still asking your customers to call in to schedule a service or come outside to sign on a clipboard in their driveway. This is where AI and automation amplify your operations. At Spiffy, we've built a full stack set of tools and solutions to power mobile operations. An AI powered scheduling and dispatch system, digital MPI inspections that sync to your DMS, recall capture for automated campaign outreach, hardware tools like EasyTread and EasyFlow to streamline services in the field. Even our wash mats and our drip mats use AI to confirm and validate that the technician deployed them on every single service. But here's the key. AI is not the strategy, it's the amplifier. Without the right systems, it's just another feature. So let's look at some results. At Bozard Ford Lincoln, Spiffy's Mobile 360 platform helped them double their mobile operations without adding a single headcount. I'll say that again, without adding a single headcount. The right software helped double their advisor efficiency, and it allowed Bozard to move from a 2 tech per van model to a 1 tech per van model. At San Marcos CDJR, software and automation brought immediate ROI to their new mobile service business, quickly scaling from 1 van to 2 with a line of sight of 3 and 4 already in planning. So the proof is in the pudding. Mobile first dealers with the right strategy and the right mindset with committed leadership are putting up huge numbers. A profitable mobile operation, a scaled mobile operation is possible, and it's happening today. And here's the big idea I want to leave you all with. The dealers who invest in mobile the right way, who structure it, track it, scale it, they will stretch beyond their PMA. They'll win warranty work, they're going to boost retention, and slowly but surely, they will start to steal market share from the competition. This is prime delivery meets fixed ops. AI meets CP. It's how you serve more customers without more bays. So I'd like to leave you all with 3 questions. Are you evaluating what mobile can bring to your store correctly? Do you have the right people and the right tools to scale mobile service? And most importantly, are you committed to the investment that mobile service requires? Because when mobile becomes a strategy, everything changes. Thank you, and I hope you all enjoy the rest of the summit today, and thank you again.